Alright, so we got a little out of hand over here. We taped everything off. Now we're gonna start painting the crash pad.
We're not worried about this stuff too much because it's gonna get flocked, so we're just gonna do a real light coat.
Alright, so this has only been a couple minutes and it's already actually pretty dry. So it's not even tacky, it's pretty dry.
The can says it can be reapplied at any time, so just want to give it a minute or two in between coats. So just don't want it to run, that's all. Tyler, what were you saying off camera?
What we're thinking about doing is we're still going to flock the dash, but we're thinking about like speckling the white paint with the body paint. That way it kind of pulls the whole car together as one.
Give it a little like a
flick.
Little paintbrush flick.
Yeah.
Here and there, a little splatter.
So I have this color, you know, splattered through it. I think that'd look pretty good.
Yeah, just a little light splatters. I think that's a great idea. I really do. So
I think we're going to do it. Alright, let's do another coat. That's one thing, we want this thing pearly white. White.
Like we said, we're not really worried about overspray. Getting flocked. Alright, let's get after it.
Alright, so first things first, I'm going to take this lock off.
Couple of Phillips.
Yep.
A lot of bit. A lot of bit, Tyler.
There we go.
Where's your cup?
Right here.
We gotta start making sure we put screws in cups because they just get lost.
Yeah.
Tyler always blames me.
It's because it is you.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm the one always losing screws. That means that I'm doing all the work. So.
Yeah. It's called you throw them on the bottom of the floor of the car and then go home. Since we do it at my house.
What were we using in that spot? Lights?
Not sure yet.
When were you going to make that a switch panel? A light switch panel?
Lights. Switches.
So
we're not quite sure yet.
Whatever this thing is. Strip down. This, we already took the button. What is that? The flasher and something else?
Yeah. The hazards and the button that raises the headlights.
Yeah. So we took that off. We masked off that because we're going to keep that little spot black. I think that'll look cool. This is the crash pad that you'd seen in the previous video. We still got to flock it, obviously. That's going to be in the next video. Working on that last screw.
Can't get the hinge out. It's not coming out.
The hinge ain't coming out?
Yeah. It will come out. A little bit of fluff. It just wouldn't come off with that on there.
Alright guys, so we're not going to bore you with the cleaning, but we're going to hit this with the prep spray and the degreaser and all that. Get these parts ready, and we'll catch you back when we're doing that.
Alright, here we go.
I don't paint enough that work. There you go. Not even in frame.
And if he doesn't complain enough at work, might as well keep complaining.
This is the guy who watches a machine all day.
Today I did.
Camera in good frame?
Yep.
Alright. Lay down our first coat. You're going to freaking start painting that damn car. Not just playing with this nonsense.
Hopefully real soon.
Hopefully real soon. Okay guys, we're going to let that dry for a few minutes. And we'll probably cut to a hyperlapse of the next couple of coats, and we'll catch you guys soon. Here's the dash, all mocked up and in white. Now keep in mind, that's going to get flocked. That's going to be in the next video. All the pieces in white. So what we did is we laid this out because Tyler is going to be laying his body colored paint that we're going to paint the car with. So we're going to do some splatter art here. So
see how this looks.
Tyler,
Ready?
Whenever you're ready. That's about gonna do it for this one, guys. So we did a little bit of beauty shots afterwards, and Tyler, what do you think?
I love it. I think it looks sick. It's exactly what I dreamed of. So
when he told me this is what he wanted to do to it, I told him white was insane.
yeah, he did.
And
He argued with me for weeks about it.
Don't do white, and then he brought up the splatter, and I'm like, oh, okay, that sounds really cool. So, yeah.
And it did.
It looks awesome. So I can't wait to flock this thing. It's gonna look so good. The final stages of it flocked.
Yeah.
You know, the whole black dash flocked. It's gonna look so good. So
it'd be nice to put the boots back in.
Yeah,
all the buttons, and
it's gonna be awesome.
it will be.
All right, guys, stay tuned.
Thank you very much for
Like,
watching.
comment, and subscribe. We really need more subscribers. I hate asking, but we need more subscribers. Like, it's tough. We want to keep doing this for as long as we can, and we want to see some growth. So, you know, if you think this is cool at all and you're watching and you're not subscribed, just subscribe. And then if you don't want to watch our videos in the future, don't. But
yeah, unsubscribe then. But if you could help us out, it'd be much appreciated. And the more subscribers we get, the more cool shit we get to do.
More cool shit we can do. All right, guys. Later.